Welcome back, viewers. We're back into the bathroom this evening. I've been taking some time off just trying to get over that nasty cold I had. So we're going to be sanding these repaired areas, taping off the tub walls, and then putting on a coat of primer. That's about all I'm really going to feel like doing this evening because I am still trying to get over that cold. But I figured I'd bring in and show you the progress to date. Eventually we will get to polishing these walls and of course doing these new doors. Now, we're still waiting on some product for the doors. So hopefully by the weekend we'll get started with that. But let's get started with sanding and priming. So we'll be back. Okay, so after you get sanding, just take a slightly damp cloth and wipe down the surfaces to get rid of any dust that might be left on the walls, and try and clean up the best you can around the areas where you're about to paint. And you might have to give this a little time to dry after damping it, just so you can apply tape around the tub walls to avoid getting any primer on them. So we'll be back. Okay, so once you've allowed whatever you wiped off with a damp cloth to evaporate, you go around and you tape off the tub walls. Now this will also work for applying the caulk that's going to go around here as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to prime, and then we're going to apply the caulk after the primer's dried. Probably the caulk is not going to be this evening, but it will be the next step. So we're going to get that priming going and we'll be back. Again, we'll be using the latex primer by Zinsser 123 Bullseye, I guess something like that. Remember too, if you keep your brush clean, it will be great to use each time. Look at the flexibility in that because it's so well cleaned each time I get done using it. So taking care of your tools is kind of important if you want them to last. So we're going to go get this primer on and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got the first coat on here. The reason why I say first coat is this primer doesn't put on a very hiding coat, if you will. And probably don't need a second coat, but I'm going to put one on there just because I want to create a good bonding surface for the caulk that I'm going to be putting around the tub surround walls for sealing. So I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back and put on a second coat. And we'll probably be done for the evening. Be right back. Okay, so we've got that second coat of primer on and we'll be ready for finish paint in here. I am going to paint the ceiling one more time in here just to get it all in one shot. I have been doing it in sections, so I'd like to do one coat over the entire thing. And of course, we'll be painting the green around the upper half of the bathroom. The wainscoting will come over to this edge of the tub here and there. But tomorrow is going to be, like I said, painting the ceiling and painting the walls. Again, I'll paint these again, but that won't be its final coat. Because what I'll do is I'll get another coat of paint on here, then we'll put on the trim, and then we'll give it its one final coat. So, again, always keep your brush clean. This looks as good as a day almost as I bought it. So still, and I've had this pipe for some years. So taking care of your equipment will always extend its life as well. So I do thank you for watching. Hope you join me tomorrow. Have a good night.